Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in so changes can apply to your profile. Open the tracker site or app and choose Riot/Valorant login. Once prompted, enter your Riot credentials and complete any two-factor steps. This verifies you own the account. Make sure you allow the minimal permissions the tracker asks for, because too many permissions aren't necessary. After login, you'll be taken to your public dashboard. Now that you're authenticated, head straight to the profile or settings area to begin making privacy changes. Once signed in, navigate to settings and select privacy or profile visibility. That's where trackers usually keep the controls. You'll see a toggle labeled profile visibility, public stats, or similar wording. Click it to change from public to private or friends only. If there's an account linkage section, revoke any extra public API keys you don't recognize. Make sure to hit save or apply. Some trackers need a confirmation click. After saving, reload the page to confirm the UI reflects private status, and finish by verifying the change. Open an incognito window or log out and view your tracker profile. It should show private or limited info. If it still shows public stats, clear site cookies and cache, then re-log in and reapply the privacy setting. Sometimes stale sessions block updates. If the toggle fails, reauthorize the connection between Riot and the tracker or revoke and regrant permissions. If none of that works, note your account ID and contact tracker support. They can inspect server-side caching or API issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.